Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Grace Imports and I'm so happy to come to you with a new video. So on today's video we're gonna be doing import from China. As you can see here, these are goods that have landed and I'm so happy because let me tell you, Mina, people have waited for these goods and I'm so super happy that they're finally here. So one of the challenge that we have been facing when it comes to bringing items from China is the turnaround time, the TAT, because you get to find sometimes we know we have said goods are gonna get to you in 40 days, but we are not in control, because when it comes to KRA, the clearing and all that, we promise but we are not sure. So in this case, these goods have they have overstayed, but I'm glad they're here and they're in good condition. So watch me as I unbox so that you get to see what we have brought here. And if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, what are you waiting for? In our WhatsApp group, that's where most people did a pre-order of these items. Most of them bought them for Christmas, and as you can see, they are here. So despite the delays, I believe they have come at the right time, so they're gonna rock them. These are kids clothes, so watch as I unbox. So guys, these are items that have come in. So let me just open so that you see what I've brought in. So these are two-piece set that have come in. So they were coming as a set like this, as you can see. So very nice, very cute. We had a lot of prints. We have a print like this one. Let me show you another print. We had it in white also, as you can see. We had it in red. You've seen the orange. So let me open a white for you to see. And this is a trouser. So they were going from, let's say, 0 years to 10 years, 10 to 12 years. As you can see, this is quite a long thing. So it's going to fit even 10 years, as you can see. So basically all these are clothes. Come and show them. So let's unbox box number two. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Guys, just get us to 5,000 subscribers. We've been doing a good job and we'll appreciate if you can support us and get us to 5K. So let's unbox this other one. So these are sneakers that have come in. We have brought them another time. So this time I mixed for the men and for the ladies. So let me show you a sample. By the way, this guy for sneakers, he never disappoints. He always gives me the best quality. So look at this. Come closer. These can be used as running shoes, as you can see, and also just sneakers for you to wear when you rock them when you're going somewhere. So we have them in black, we have them in gray, as you can see. Yeah, also this time we decided to try out another type, so let's see. Wow, look at that. Hey, I love it, I love it. Look at that. Yeah, so we also got this. So yeah, for you to know the sizes that will fit men, most of the time they normally go from size 41 to 45. Yeah, so that's why you can see these are a good size for men. So for most people who are always asking me, how do I know the size that I should get? Look at that. Hey, let me open the blue. Yeah, so for you to know, you need to know the target market. Yeah, know your target market so that you can be able to know the numbers that you need to bring in. Yeah, like this is a 39. So the best thing about bringing things from China, you're not limited when it comes to the numbers. If you decide you want to bring, let's say 39 alone, they're going to allow you to do that. Yeah, so you're not limited when it comes to that. You can choose the colors. You're not limited when it comes to the colors. That's the best thing about importing from China. Yeah, so this whole box is full of shoes. Yeah, let me show you the ladies ones. Yeah, we also have a different type. Oh, yeah, we have a different type over here. Yeah, so these are among our best sellers. Yeah, because you find people who want shoes for the gym. Yeah, just very comfortable shoes to wear. As you can see, they can be able to get from here. Wow, look at that color. Now you can see this box is full of this type and the men type. So let us unbox the next box. I hope you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, guys. Keep it here. Number 3. Yeah, so for most people who are always asking me, how are you able to bring in a lot of things from different suppliers? The trick is ensure the goods get to your supplier at the same time. If you're able to have the goods at the same time, they're going to be put in the same container and you're going to enjoy, whereby the what is it called, the CBM, it's going to be joined. Yeah, so that is one trick that you need to know, guys. Yeah, so for you to be able to maximize on shipping costs, nimewaibia siri hapo, sawa? You know, guys, I'm laughing because this supplier promised me some sandals. Me, I thought they are ladies sandals. You can see what he has sent me. This is a gift from my supplier. Yani supplier tu aliona nipe hizi na mimi ni dem. But I think so, having in mind what they normally sell, I think so now they couldn't give me something else. Yeah, so because I've been a constant buyer from them, so they promised me some sandals and I love them. I love them. This is size what? This is 39. Let's see whether they are gonna fit me, but I appreciate the gift. So these other shoes that you can see over here, they are hot sellers, by the way. We have brought them a lot of times and they always sell out. They are always selling out, as you can see, guys. So this type that we have here, you can see here. Yeah, this is one of our best sellers. Yeah, can you imagine, guys, when I was bringing these shoes before, I never used to bring white because I used to think, now who will wear white? But I'm so shocked, except especially gym lovers, they love white. Yeah, so this time I tried to bring in some white for them. Yeah, so we have also black. Yeah, also comes in different colors. We have the gray too. Yeah, So this box is full of this type of sneakers. I can't wait to post them on Instagram. Can you believe I have people who are waiting for this? It's full of these sneaker shoes. Yeah, these are our best sellers also, because you tend to find, like right now, I have a list on Instagram of people who had bought these shoes, and they told me, Grace, hizi mzigo zikifika, make sure you tell me so that I'm able to take another color. First of all, they're very comfortable. I'm actually wearing the same type of shoe. I've rocked mine for more than a year now, and this shoe is still in good shape. Yeah, so if you want me to recommend to you this supplier, come inbox, we talk. Yeah, he's a good supplier. As you can see, he has not disappointed me on the many times that we have done together. Yeah, so guys, for those who are still asking, Grace, are you still doing imports from China? Yes, we are doing imports from China, but I told you the challenge that we are having currently is the TAT, the turnaround time, but we still keep doing it because, of course, bringing from China, you can't compare with bringing from Tanzania, you guys. You can't compare. It's way, way cheaper over there. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for the support that you've been giving me on my channel. Continue subscribing, and if you want to join the WhatsApp group, the link is always in bio. If you can't be able to locate the link, make sure you come and talk to me on WhatsApp, and I'll be able to share with you the link. So guys, I'm so happy it's December. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a lot of sales. Those of you who have been coming with questions on how to start up a shop and all that, yeah, I'll be able to tell you more about that. I'll be doing more videos on that category, guys. And guys, until the next one, bye bye.